This particular video will try to understand how Fireblaze Recruitment Portal works. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is a demo profile which I have created over here. It shows that it is 30% completed. Now, what we'll be doing is we'll be trying to see a feature called as AI mock interview. So AI mock interview एक बहुत ही important feature है wherein you can just upload your CV or select a skill set and directly AI will start interviewing you on that particular topic. You just have to give answers and get an assessment about your mock interview. So what we'll be doing over here is we'll just go and in this particular section we have already in the mock interview section we'll just select a skill set. So say for example I'll select Python programming for now, and just for the sake of simplicity I'll just use easy. You can just change your difficulty level, and after starting the interview you just have to wait to give screen the access to your mic as well as camera. Once this is done, your interview will start right away. आपका इंटरव्यू तुरंत शुरू हो जाएगा. ये बैकएंड में अभी क्वेश्चंस इकट्ठा हो रहे हैं. जैसे कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं कि there would be 10 questions, 6 technical, 4 behavioral, and you have a specific time to record each answer depending on the question's difficulty. Once started, you cannot exit. If you exit, then it stops. Microphone का test हो रहा है, तो you just have to start the microphone test and say this is a test to verify your microphone, and you just have to say January. So just give all the privileges. January. So it detected it. We can start the interview right away. And
what is a list in Python, and how does it differ from a tuple?
List in a Python is a container which uses square bracket. So मैंने जल्दी आंसर देना स्टार्ट कर दिया. I just have to click start over here to give answers. List is a container or a data structure in Python which uses square bracket to create. It is mutable. It can store different data types within it. It can store int, float, string, boolean, everything within a list. The difference between a list and a tuple is that tuple uses round bracket and it is immutable. Once defined, you cannot modify a tuple, whereas a list could be modified. मेरा आंसर देना हो चुका है. मैंने सबमिट बटन दबा दी है. आप 2 मिनट तक का आंसर रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं. Once that is done, अगर इसी के ऊपर फॉलोअप क्वेश्चन रहेगा तो वो आएगा, नहीं तो आप अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ोगे. You will move to the next question right after that. So like this, as you can see on the screen, there would be 10 different questions which would be asked by the AI, and here you can see that this is the AI interviewer and this is us or you, whoever would be giving the answers. And now the AI is processing whatever answers I have given. So list का जो सवाल मुझे आया था
उसी का follow-up question. You mentioned that lists can store different data types. Can you explain how you can create a list of mixed data types and provide an example of when this might be useful?
इसने हमें follow-up question पूछा है कि whatever it just said, right? So you can again say, so we can use a square bracket and then write such as say fruit's name, so apple, pineapple, comma, we can as well write their prices 20 and 30. So these are the two different data types, that is int and string, which is stored within a list. I can again record again, or I can submit. So I have just clicked on submit. Once this is done, maybe I'll exit this particular
Can
interview.
you explain what a dictionary is in Python and give an example of when you might use one?
So this is again a next question. So my first question is done and all the follow-up questions are done. अब ये दूसरा सवाल आया है डिक्शनरी पे. For now, I'll just stop and try to exit if it allows me. So are you sure? Yes, I'm sure to exit. वैसे this is also a very good question, right? I know the answer to it. Dictionaries, obviously we make use of dictionaries whenever there is a key value pair to be utilized. That is, we use curly braces to make a dictionary. Now, done. So you can see that it is just showing you that you did it. Thanks for jumping into the mock interview. Let's check the performance. This is the performance review which I have got. So it will keep on prompting you अगर आपका प्रोफाइल पूरी तरीके से कंप्लीट नहीं है तो. But you can see that you are an aspiring learner. What does that mean? You can click over here. You can get these different batches. 23 out of 100 is my score. Behavioral competency 4 on 30. Speech quality 16 on 20. Response quality 3 on 50, which is horrible. What recruiter wants to say, उसका एक perspective है ये कि your performance in Python interview showcased both strength and significant areas for improvement. While you demonstrated a solid understanding of basic Python concepts such as list and their mutability compared to tuple, your overall technical skill appeared limited when addressing more complex questions. Right? क्योंकि मैंने आगे के सवाल नहीं दिया. Your superpowers, your areas to improvement. According to that, you can take your learnings ahead. You also get a behavioral competency. Now, since we have not given any answer on behavioral question, so it's all 1 on 10. स्पीच आप किस तरीके से कौन से वर्ड्स कह रहे हैं उसके ऊपर भी काफ़ी मार्क्स होते हैं. तो यू कैन सी कॉन्फिडेंस 10 on 10, फिलर वर्ड्स 10 on 10, पेस 5 on 10. मैं स्लो दे रहा था आंसर. दिस इज व्हाट एआई इज ट्राइंग टू सजेस्ट मी. कॉन्फिडेंस इज गुड. वाओ फिलर वर्ड्स इज रिड्यूस. सो ये मेरा पिछले मॉक इंटरव्यू का परफॉर्मेंस है और हर एक सवाल के ऊपर एनालिसिस मिलेगा आपको. सो यू कैन सी जो हमारा पहला सवाल था, व्हाट इज अ लिस्ट इन पाइथन एंड हाउ इज इट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ टपल. सो माई आंसर वॉज 23 on 10. ये एक ओवरऑल स्कोर था. रिलेवेंस, डोमेन नॉलेज, आर्टिकुलेशन, किस तरीके से मैंने अपने मन में आंसर बनाया, उसको किस तरीके से सुधारना है, ये उसके टिप्स है. सही आंसर क्या हो सकता था वो भी है. ये सारे इन डेप्थ एनालिसिस देगा आपको सारे एस्पेक्ट्स में. फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन 12 on 30. अगेन माय फॉलो अप आंसर वाज नॉट गुड. इट इज सजेस्टिंग. सो ये उसका भी एक किस तरीके से सही आंसर हो सकता था. एंड देन इस तरीके से ये सारे क्वेश्चंस का देगा. सो दिस इज इन शॉर्ट AI mock interview. It is a very important and a flagship feature at Fireblaze School of Emerging Technologies. As we promote AI, we obviously use AI in all the corners of our institute, and this feature is available for you to conduct mock interviews 24/7 round the clock. You can even give mock interviews at 3 and get analysis. What you need to do is just jump in and make sure that you use this feature. Thank you so much, everyone.